So last week we had a whirlwind trip through Cape Town. We flew by the seat of our pants, through vineyards, looking at luxury lodges. We met Baz the singing dog, and then it was off to meet some rock star winemakers. This week we're off to Madikwee, which is a safari park. This is the type of check-in that we like. Very casual. I wonder if they've got security here as well. So we've just been asked if there's a pilot amongst us. You can see our plane's just being towed out there. I think it's all okay from a mechanic's point of view. Okay, we're arriving here at Kakuma Lodge in Madikwee after a bumpy little flight from Johannesburg. I just can't wait to get inside. Here we go. What a great entrance. Look at this. It's not David Attenborough, it's me, Tom Ormerod, the luxury home hunter. I'm here at Kakuma Lodge in Madikwee, and we're just about to go out on safari. He's looking great for his late 30s. He'll probably do with an exfoliating brush. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Look at this guy. Wow. Yes. We are going to get out of his way. Wow, beautiful. Wow. Heavy. You wouldn't believe it. We've had a flat. We're literally 100 metres from this pride of lions. We're feasting on a buffalo. Been on a rocky outcrop, and we're obviously blown the left-hand side tyre. So here we go, we've got a spare, and we're going to do this really quietly, so not to disturb the pride of lions, and hopefully we won't get eaten on the way. Here we are, just arriving at the airport. Just going to turn into the first class lounge over here. So our passport's ready. That's a custom block over there. It's a custom and the toilet's got a passport. All ready to go? Yes. Look at this. Okay, I better say goodbye to Francois, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Francois! Yes, thank you. All the best, man.
Pleasure.
All the best, thank you. Yep, thank you. Drug smuggler from way back, and we've got the craft for it as well. It's like it's like a little Colombian drug smuggling plane.
Please do keep your seatbelt securely fastened for the takeoff, the climb, as well as the descent and the landing into Joburg.
So that's the end of an incredible week at Madikwee. So if you like this video, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.